के बन गए हो तुम मेरे खुदा। तुमसे दिल की बातें सीखी, तुमसे ही ये राहें सीखी, तुम पे मर के मैं तो जी गया। खुदा जाने के मैं फिदा हूँ, खुदा जाने मैं मिट गया। खुदा जाने ये क्यों हुआ है कि बन गए हो तुम मेरे खुदा। दिल कहे कि आज तो छुपा लो तुम पनाह में, कि डर है तुमको खो दूंगा। दिल कहे संभल जरा खुशी को ना नजर लगा, कि डर है मैं तो रो दूंगा।
करती हूँ सौ वादे तुमसे, बांधे दिल के धागे तुमसे, ये तुम्हें न जाने क्या हुआ।
खुदा जाने के मैं फिदा हूँ, खुदा जाने मैं मिट गया। खुदा जाने ये क्यों हुआ है कि बन गए हो तुम मेरे खुदा। सजदे में यूं ही झुकता हूँ, तुम पे ही आके रुकता हूँ, क्या ये सबको होता है।
हमको क्या लेना है सबसे, तुमसे ही सब बातें अब से, बन गए हो तुम मेरी दुआ।
खुदा जाने के मैं फिदा हूँ, खुदा जाने मैं मिट गया। खुदा जाने ये क्यों हुआ है कि बन गए हो तुम मेरे खुदा।
Yo, the door is open. Well, now we'll move to our fifth song, the last one, and this song is quite nice. It's a new song, just released a few weeks back. I think it is released on the date of 10th February 2011, so around 2 weeks, yes, approximately 2 weeks. And this song is dedicated to you by someone called Faisal. Yes, you hear it right, by Faisal Taslim, so which means me. Well, to be honest, all the songs were dedicated by me, but this song is really my choice, and I really dedicated it to you, and I dedicate it to you actually, to all the members, and hope you will like it. The song is called Kyun Main Jagun, and I think it's by Shafqat Amanat Ali, the same singer who sang Mitwa in Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna. There was a song called Mitwa, and the one more important thing is that Shafqat is also a Pakistani singer, and this song is really very well sung. And in fact, I suggest you to watch the movie as well. It's not so special. I mean, no fighting, no action, not even comedy, but I like the movie because it discusses the real Pakistan and Indian situation. I mean, the real things that happen to all of us, approximately all of us. And when you watch it, you'll surely say that, hey, approximately the same story with me. It's the same thing whenever I talk of the book Yesterday Was Tomorrow, my first ebook. Even in that book I have written this thing that in this book you will find your own story. Maybe not 100%, but at least up to a point you will say that, hey, what the hell, it's my story. So the same thing with this movie, and this song is really nice. I request you to please listen to the words, understand, and I am sure that you will surely enjoy them a lot. They are not really bad at all. Well done, very well sung. And well, with this itself I'll say the goodbye. I'll demand a goodbye. It's the end of the first episode with 5 songs. I hope it wasn't really bad, and day by day it's gonna improve, that's sure. And it was a very nice experience talking to all of my friends here, and thanks a lot for listening to me. Again, please come to www.friendsmania.net and register, and then you can send me a request, and then your request and message and song would be added in the next episode, inshallah, by the grace of Allah the Almighty. And enjoy the song, and afterwards you'll see the theme once again of this FM Music Funny, and then that would be the end of this episode. Thank you very much for enjoying. I hope that you enjoyed. Thank you very much for listening. More precisely, thank you very much for listening. And I am really sorry if at some point I was harsh or bad or whatever. I tried myself to be as more friendly as I could, but you know, we are humans and we are not perfect, so we do make mistakes. And I really look forward for your requests for the next episode. And thanks a lot. Enjoy the song. And this is me, Faisal Taslim, signing off this FM Music Funny. Thank you very much. Enjoy your song. Bye.
मुझसे पूछे घर कहाँ है, क्यों मुझसे आके दस्तक पूछे दर कहाँ है। राह ऐसी जिनकी मंजिल भी नहीं, ढूंढो मुझे अब मैं रहता हूँ वहीं। दिल है कहीं और धड़कन है कहीं, सांसें हैं मगर क्यों जिंदा मैं नहीं। रेत बनी हाथों से यूं बह लिखूं फिर से नई दास्तां, गम की स्याही दिखती है कहाँ। है जो चुनी है मेरी थी रज़ा, रहता हूँ क्यों फिर खुद से ही खफा। ऐसी भी हुई थी मुझसे क्या खता, तूने जो मुझे दी जीने की सजा। बंदे तेरे माथे पे हैं जो खींचे, बस चंद लकीरों जितना है जहां। आंसू मेरे मुझको मिटा के रहे, रब का हुक्म ना मिटता है यहाँ। ढूंढो मुझे अब मैं रहता हूँ वहीं, दिल है कहीं और धड़कन है कहीं, सांसें हैं मगर क्यों जिंदा मैं नहीं। क्यों मैं जागूं सपने बो रहा है, क्यों मेरा रब यूं आंखें खोले सो रहा है। क्यों मैं जागूं